Yo, what's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome to the stream, wherever you're watching, whenever you're watching. This is day 2 of the JavaScript series. So we made some good progress yesterday going through the Odin project. And yeah, let's resume. So we finished off Fundamentals Part 1 yesterday, and today we're going to go through Part 2. I'm thinking we maybe even start jumping into the free code camp tutorials, these sections. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. All right. Introduction. There are a few extremely common types of data that you will encounter in JavaScript, and these fundamental lessons will give us. Actually, let me see if I can add my pop filter to this. So using this very. Just want to see if you can still see my face when I do that. Trusty, hey, what's up, man? How you doing? Welcome back. Man, it's got to be late night for you again. Huh? What time is in India? Let me check. India time. It's past midnight again. Thanks for hanging out. Not feeling sleepy? I'm good, man. I'm good. Yeah, yesterday I went after stream. I went to the gym, had some food, and I wanted to stream, and then I just crashed, man. I just fell asleep. So yeah, today we're gonna continue with part 2. Yeah, this thing. All right. Did you do any coding projects? How's the job application going? What's happening? So open up VS Code. All right, really have to side. Trying to make a website with Spotify's API. If you search an artist name, it will give you their top 5 tracks. All right. Just starting, or how far along are you? That's a cool project. All right, so common data types. There's 8 basic data types in JavaScript. We got number, integer and floating points. Yep. Infinity, negative infinity, and not a number. NaN represents a computational error. Okay. Big int in JavaScript, the number type. Made a rough UI design trying to build both UI and HTML and CSS now. Cool. Are you streaming, by the way? Or are you just building it locally? And where are you creating the design? Is it Figma or Photoshop? JavaScript number type cannot represent integer values larger than 2 to the power of 53 minus 1, which is this massive number, or less than negative. It's a technical limitation caused by the internal representation. All right. I don't know if this is going to come handy. Cryptography, microsecond precision times. Yeah, I don't think the projects I'm going to be doing is going to need that. I tried streaming today, but my internet sucks. I usually use Adobe XD, but I made this in Figma. Nice. Yeah, I need to learn how to use Figma. Yeah. Internet issues, man. Luckily, I've got good internet, but my laptop cannot handle multiple things. So that's my limitation. All right, so big int. Bigger numbers are rarely needed. There's a type recently added to language of arbitrary length. We don't cover them here, but devoted them a separate chapter. Okay, string. Double quotes, single quotes, or backticks. Double and single are simple quotes. There's practically no difference between them. Backticks are extended functionality quotes. They allow us to embed variables and expressions onto a string. Let name equal John. Hello. Okay. Right on. The expression inside $data is evaluated and the result becomes. My laptop got freaking hot when I started streaming. My internet upload speed. Oh wow. Man, I'm trying to show off, but this is my internet speed. It used to be like 5 MB upload I used to get. This is my oh, you can see my IP address, whatever. And now it doesn't want to work because no, excuse me. Yeah, it used to be really bad. I used to get 30 down and 5 up. What will relate this to this thing? Alert. The result is $1 of 2, double quotes 2, nothing. So this one has to be single ticks. Okay. This can only be done with backticks. Other quotes don't have this embedded functionality. $name. Alright, let's see if it's finished. My download is 50 MB still. Okay, nice. Alright, let's check out this link. Oh, nice. Good genre. Okay. Very similar design to the other one he showed me yesterday, the game. Was it the game? The one where it took 2 seconds to resize, that one. Nice. Yeah, this this is my speed. 90 upload, 98 download, which works pretty well. For the forms, yes. Yeah, I think that's the one, yeah. Alright, so backticks does that, okay. Boolean, is yes or no. No is not a reference to a non-existing object or a null pointer. It's just a special value which represents nothing, of value unknown or empty. The code above states that the age is unknown. Okay. I like minimalist neomorphic UI design or something. Okay. Yeah, it looks pretty neat. Neomorphic UI. That's the first time I'm hearing that term though. Let's Google that. What is that? Right, yeah, these type. Okay. Yeah, that looks really cool. It looks very modern too. Material, neon. Okay. So kind of like it stands out, right? Same color. It almost looks like it's coming outside of the screen. I guess because the background in this thing is same color. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, so this button looks like it's been pressed onto the screen. This one looks like it's kind of popping out. Nice. Yeah, they're cool. Awesome. Okay, the undefined value. This the special value undefined also stands apart. Undefined is. I think I want to make note of these. They look like something I'm gonna need to know at some point. I also need to organize my notes because it's getting all over the place now. Yeah, let's do that. Copy, go into JavaScript. Alright, data types. Begin. Strings. Boolean, the null, and the undefined. Alright, that's the undefined. Is declared but not assigned. Technically, it is possible to explicitly assign undefined to a variable. So let's a is equals 100. Age equals undefined. Gotcha. But we don't recommend doing that. Normally, one uses null to assign empty or unknown, while undefined is reserved for default initial value for unassigning things. Okay. Object and symbols. The object type is special. All other types are called primitive because objects. Oh, that's what happened yesterday when you assigned the variables in reverse. You got, oh yeah. Right. So it's a default kind of placeholder thing, variable, or default for, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Man, you got good memory. I already forgot what I did yesterday. Nice. The type of operator. The type of operator. Operator. Why am I getting operator? Type of X as a function. Is that a data type though? Type of. Oh, it tells you what data type it is if you just use type of. Gotcha. Yeah, let's put that into into these toggles. Okay, cool. Math, okay. Oh man, they got a nice summary. I could have just copy pasted summary. Yeah, let's just do that. That's a pretty good summary, actually. Okay. It comes in handy when you do some mistakes. You want to know what type of value you're storing. Oh, that's for undefined. Right. But you said I'm trying to see. Okay, so the Spotify API website you're building, is that going to be using JavaScript, HTML and CSS, or are you using something else as well? Yeah, okay, cool. I will definitely take a look at the code once you've written, see how you implemented it. Learning how to use APIs. Nice. APIs. When is that on the course? Yeah, I don't get into APIs until like, yeah, I'm probably gonna get into that in, I don't know, 4 or 5 months from now. I don't know, it depends how fast I go through these. Okay. Let name equals Ilya, alert, $1, $name. What is the output of the script? Alert, hello. Guess it's just gonna be hello 1. Hello Ilya. This one I'm not sure. I think it's just gonna say hello. I don't know, let's try it. Oh no, I gotta click that to clear it. Okay. So I need backticks. Learning how to use APIs, but right now I'm going to try to finish building the UI before I sleep. Only the last one will give you the name's value. Interesting. Only the last one give me the name. It's because I think I learned something. You can press the up button to get there. So if I do that, maybe I need to refresh. Okay, just refresh the page. Oh, it just says hello name. It didn't say hello Pratik, right? Oh, and it just says hello Pratik, and then hello 1. I guess it's just gonna say. It's just gonna say hello 1, right? Ah, okay. So the second one is not gonna work because it reads it as a string. This one's read as a number, and this one's read as a variable. And it's just replacing the variable. Type name in the console. Okay, right. Ah, look at that. Nice. And now name. Yeah, I just did that. Nice. It's definitely good to know. Okay. That one is done. depending on what kind of work you do, you might end up working with more pieces of text. String is simply a piece of text. Method is a bit of functionality that is built into the language or specific data types. Index of or search. Yo, hey, what's up? Just come from work. Reading code along with MDN tutorial. Oh man, that's big. It says I need basic computer literacy, then I'm screwed, man. I don't know how to use computers. Okay, the power of words. Creating a string. Let's right, that makes sense. Single or double doesn't really matter. But you can't have two types of quotation on the same one. Escaping characters means that we do something to them to make sure they are recognized as text and not part of the code. In JavaScript, we do this with putting backslash. For example, I got no idea what that means. Let's check. Oh, right. It's this thing here. In I. Okay, cool. That one probably come in handy. Also, I don't like the fact that it says I've got no right. I've got rights, man. What you mean I've got no right? I've got right to take my place. Well, I've got okay. Concatenating string, just do a plus, concatenating context. Press me, const. Yeah, let me know what that is. Button on click. Okay. Oh, look at that, that's cool. So when the button is clicked, run this function, and the function is going to be a variable named name, which is going to prompt the question to input this variable. And once that is done, the next line of code is going to be alert, hello, take the name from the prompt input, and then add that. Yeah. Numbers versus strings. So what happens when we try to add or concatenate a number and string? So it's just gonna add it, okay. Let my string equals 1 to 3. Let my num equals number my string. Type of is my number. If you have a numeric value that you want to convert to a string but not change otherwise, or a string variable that you want to convert to a number but not change otherwise, you can use the following two constructs. The number object converts anything passed to it into a number if it can. Oh, okay. So if I do number one, and then I go my num, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3. Still 1 or 3. Oh, right, okay, so what I'm going to do is my string equals 4, 5, I don't know, 2, 3, 4. And then if I go my num, not quite. Yeah, I'm not sure what that is. We'll come back to that. These contract can be reduced in some situation. Okay. Template literals. Let song equals fight the youth. Song is fight the youth. Okay, so let exam score equals 45, exam highest score 70, exam report equals you scored, dollar exam score out of dollar high score, which is that, and then the percentage is doing this math here. Math round exam score times 100, and then dollar exam score. Is the exam score greater or equal to 49? Then well done. Otherwise, bad luck, you didn't pass the test. Right. So 49, right? So if I got 50, well done, you pass. Cool. That's interesting. Okay. So what is a template literal? Template literal. Oh, it's just talking about. Yeah, okay, yeah. Conclusion, sure. Go through this lesson a bit more to learn about what you can do with strings. String length, the length property returns the length of a string. Variable text equals 26, so basically it's counting the number of characters here. txt.length. Finding a string in a string. The index of method returns the index with the position of the first occurrence of a specified text in a string. Okay. Seven. String equals please locate where locate occurs. There's two locates. The first one occurs in the 7th position. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What if I said parse equals string index of and say where? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30. So it's counting the space as a string. So you got 6, 9, 10, 11. Wait, why is it 14? Oh, it starts from 0. Okay, so yeah, that makes sense. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah. Returns a -1 if text is not found. Both methods accept a second parameter as the starting position for the search. Oh, start from there, okay. Searching for string in a string. The search method searches a string for a specified value and returns the position of the match. So variable string equals please locate. Da-da. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Gotcha. Jason. Hey, what's up, Jason? How you doing? I'm good. How are you? It's been a while. Did you notice the two methods index of and search are equal? They accept the same arguments, return the same value. The two methods are not equal. These are the differences. Search method cannot take a second start position argument. The index of method cannot take powerful search values. Direct expression. You'll know more about them later. The slice method. Extracting part of a string. Slice start end subtracts substring start end. I don't know what that is. Substr. Okay. Res banana. 713 start and end. 7, so it starts from here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so if I did res equals string slice. Okay, we're gonna start on the 7th again. So it's 13, 14, 15, 16. So it should give me part of the space in the K, right? Nope, doesn't like it. Oh, it's inside. Yeah. Cool. If a parameter is negative, the position is counted. It just reverses the thing. Okay. If you the second parameter method will slice out the rest of the string. So it removed the first 7 now. Or counting from the end. Okay, I haven't actually changed the res, so variable res equals negative position do not work in Internet Explorer 8 or earlier. Okay. Substring is similar to slice. The difference is it cannot accept negative indexes. Sure. Substr similar. Second parameter specifies the length of the extracted part. 6. So 0, 1, 2, 3. I was saying 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is what it's taking out. From and then, okay, so we're going to start from yeah, we're going to start from 6. And now, how many strings we're going to remove? We're going to remove 7, 8, 9. Let's say 9. So that should be half of the. It should remove ban. No, it doesn't do that. Oh no, wait. Okay, I see what it's doing. So it says, let's see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 16. Yeah, that makes sense. The replace method replaces a specified value with another value in a string. So it's going to replace Microsoft with W3 Schools. That's cool. I mean, I don't need to do that. So we've already got a string, apple, banana, QE. So if you do variable n equals string replace, search for value, it's going to search for banana and replace it with, I don't know, orange. Right, and then if I go string, hang on, it didn't replace it. Why did it not replace? Oh, because the variable n, so we got n, okay. N as orange. What if I set the variable n, we set the variable string, banana with mango. Yeah, okay, yeah. To replace case insensitive, use regular expressions with an I flag. Okay. Global match. Please visit Microsoft. Okay, so we're doing. So, okay. Text 2. Change it into uppercase. Concat. Oh, sorry, concat. Just concatenate. So string trim removes white space from both sides of the string. Is not supported. So there are 3 methods for extracting string characters: character at, position, character code at, property access. 0 is that, okay. $72. Property access might be a little unpredictable. It does not work with sure. Oh, look at that. So string, say number 3 is L, so 0, 1, 2, 3. That should be an O. Yep. Converting a string into an array. A string can be converted to an array with the split method. What is all this? Okay, so it's splitting by the characters. Okay, cool. Test yourself with exercises. Okay, start the exercise. Variable, find the position of the character H in the string text. So text dot. Okay. Text dot locate. Index of correct. Woohoo! Cool. Use the slice method to return the word bananas. Bananas. Okay, so it's the start and an end. I believe we do 9 and it's either 16 or 17. Try again. 16. No. Slice. Start in the end position. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh crap, it's 10, 16. No, 10. Why is it not correct? Show answer. Oh, 17. Okay, so he wants to go all the way up to me. Alright. Use the correct string method to replace the word hello with the word splice. Replace. I think replace should work. Convert The value of text, it was something dot uppercase. To uppercase, okay, so text equals text dot to alright, and the last exercise, convert the value of text to lowercase. I guess it should just be text dot to lowercase. Yeah. Get the value Volvo from array. No, we're not into arrays just yet. Okay, there's a lot to remember there. So all these different methods. Alright, so we're going to go through conditionals next. Now it's time for the fun stuff. Okay. So far we haven't done much with our programming that you couldn't do with simple maps. Sure, we told our computers how to do the math, so that makes it quicker, but these kinds of programming is teaching how to make decisions. Okay. Step 1 is learning about conditionals. Make sure you have a good grasp of comparisons. And this tutorial, W3 schools. Okay, let's go through comparisons first. We know many comparison operators from maps. In JavaScript, they're written like this: greater or less than, greater than or equal to, equals, not equals is exclamation equal mark. Okay. In this article, we'll learn more about different types of comparisons. True means yes, false means no. For example, alert 2 is greater than 1. It's true. 2 is not equal to 1. True. Okay. It's gonna be false. And 2, 3 is gonna be true. Oh wait. I thought I typed in 3. Alright, that should be true. Okay. That makes sense. String comparison, Z is greater than A. Dictionary or lexicographical order, in other words, strings are compared letter by letter. Globally, BB, okay. The algorithm to compare two strings is simple. Compare the first character in both strings. If the first character from the first string is greater or less than the other string, then the first string is Okay. If the first character from the first string is greater or less than the other strings, then the first string is greater or less than the second. Okay. So it goes one by one. Repeat until then. Okay, yep. Same length, otherwise the longer string is greater. When would this be useful? Don't know. It is possible that at the same time two values are equal. One of them is true as Boolean, the other one is false. For example, let A equals 0, Boolean A 0 is false, let B equals an equality check converts values using numeric conversion. Right, okay, that makes sense. Strict equality, a regular equality check has a problem. It cannot differentiate 0 from false. So if 0 equals false true, right. This happens because the operands of different types are converted to numbers by the equality operator. An empty string just like false becomes a 0. What do we do to differentiate a strict? Okay. Okay, kind of makes sense. So 5 is greater than 4, true. Apple is greater than pineapple. A is greater than B, so that's true. 2 is greater than 12. No. Undefined. Honest. True, false. False. Hang on. Right. Compare the first character in both strings. If the first character from string is greater or less than the other string, then the first string is greater than the other. And second, we're done. If G is same as G other than R, O is greater than E. Oh right, so it's a reverse order, not. So A greater than B, well, in the console log so that would be false then. Okay. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Huh? Cool. I'm actually gonna stop the stream now. I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'm gonna head to the gym, come back, eat some food. I'll be back in like an hour or 2 hours maybe. So yeah, thanks for hanging out. See you all in a bit.